be talking to Shannon from New Jersey. Are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh my
Hey,
God! Hey,
Shannon.
Shannon.
Hi.
Can you pop? First of all, where in Jersey are you from?
Cranford, Central Jersey.
Okay, thank you. Everyone, please describe which slice of the state you're in from here on out. Now, do you have someone you're not happy for right now that you want to pop off about?
Very much so.
Let's go.
Who?
Oh, so my uncle. So, long story short.
First and last names, Shannon. We
Yeah.
want first and last names.
Give us the tea, Shannon. Give us the
This is not a
tea.
Chris Gethard show.
Is Chris, is your show normally anonymous?
The pod, I do.
Oh, I get it now. See, I don't follow Chris's word. No, okay, you don't have to name him, but definitely describe him in detail.
Yeah, so I'll start by, long story short, I'll make everyone sad for me. My dad passed away, and before that happened, he asked my uncle to please make sure that he covered the cost of my college career. My uncle has a lot of money, so my uncle said, yes, I'll take care of that. 2 months after my student loan payment started, he said, I'm not going to do this anymore. A year after that, he called my family to tell us that he adopted 2 elephants. He made an elephant sanctuary.
Two. Dos.
Yes. It's
Where
a
were
real
you trying to
thing.
go to school?
Seton Hall University.
Okay, if you'd only gotten one elephant, you could pay for Seton
totally
Hall.
Seton, yeah.